Your front yard is the very first impression of your home. A well-designed front bed can instantly transform your curb appeal, making your home feel warm, welcoming, and stylish. In this video, we'll explore some inspiring front bed landscaping ideas that you can apply, no matter your space or budget. Let's start with the cottage garden style. Think of colorful blooms, flowing greenery, and a romantic atmosphere. Lavender, mini roses, and daisies bring a charming and cheerful vibe. Add a white wooden fence or stepping stones, and suddenly your home feels like a cozy countryside retreat. If you prefer something sleek and simple, the minimalist modern look is perfect. With clean lines, geometric shapes, and neutral tones, this design focuses on structure and elegance. Boxwood shrubs and ornamental grasses, paired with white pebbles or geometric pots, create a calm and contemporary statement. For those who want to bring vacation vibes right to their doorstep, go for a tropical lush garden. Small palms, heliconia, and calathea create a refreshing burst of greenery. Combine them with natural stones and soft spotlighting, and you'll feel like stepping into a hidden paradise every time you arrive home. Low maintenance and water-wise, the desert-style garden is perfect for busy homeowners. Using cactus, agave, and yucca, you create a bold and dramatic effect. Add gravel and large decorative stones, and you get a stylish modern landscape that requires almost no upkeep. If peace and harmony are what you seek, a Zen garden may be your answer. With bonsai, dwarf bamboo, and moss, combined with white sand and stone lanterns, this style creates a meditative environment. It's not just landscaping, it's a sanctuary of calm right at your front door. For those who love change and variety, a seasonal color bed is a great choice. Tulips brighten your garden in spring, marigolds add energy in summer, and chrysanthemums bring warmth in autumn. With mulch and garden edging, your front bed will look fresh and renewed all year long. Whichever style you choose, here are a few tips. Use layering for depth, mix textures for interest, and always consider lighting to enhance beauty at night. Even small details like mulch or decorative stones can elevate the entire look of your garden bed. So, which front bed landscaping idea speaks to you the most? Whether it's romantic, modern, tropical, or zen, the key is to design a space that feels like home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design inspirations.